Are you a homeowner who is looking to increase the value of your home with minimum expense? Stay tuned till the end as I will go deep into the subject. Being a homeowner can be fun, especially when you see your home value increase over time. Here are a few things that you could do to force appreciation of a home. Kitchen or bathroom remodel. Let me ask you this. Is your kitchen have the same counters and countertops since the day you bought it? Has it been upgraded or is it 15 years old? Remodeling your kitchen or your bathrooms or both can increase your value of your home substantially. They are the two main focus points when someone visits you or when you list your home for sale. Depending on your budget and your home size, it can cost from $10,000 all the way to $50,000 depending on the finishes you choose, but the rewards are massive. Here is another question. Is your electrical original in your home? Are they two-wire systems still, or was it upgraded to a three-wire with a proper ground? How about plumbing? Is it updated or is it original galvanized piping all throughout your home? If those are too old, it's time for an upgrade. Upgrading electrical, main panel, and plumbing not only reduces the future repairs, enhances the functionality of your home, but also add value when you list your home for sale in the future. Make sure to keep a list of all the upgrades that you did to your home. If you find this video informative, like, share, subscribe if you have not done already, so YouTube Goddess makes the video available to others to enjoy. Back to the subject. Nowadays, with the rise of electrical car usage, adding a solar system to your home and paying it in full can significantly put money in your pocket over the long run. State and federal governments is giving an incentive for homeowners up to 26% of the total cost of the solar system in cash when you file your taxes. Adding a solar system not only reduces the power bill of your home, but also adds tremendous value when selling your home later. However, if you have not paid your solar system in full, it can cause a little bit of issue when transferring ownership to the new owners. Most of the time, escrow will ask previous owners to use the proceeds to pay in full for the system to avoid issues related to leasing the solar system before close of escrow. Does your home have enough space for an accessory dwelling unit in the back, also known as ADU? If yes, then continue watching. The state also giving money in form of grants for non-reoccurring costs pertaining to building ADUs. It can be up to $40,000 in state of California. Why ADU, you may ask? Well, not only building an ADU can bring value to your home if built correctly with permission from the city, it can help reduce the cost of ownership via rental income. Those are few things, if done correctly, can add tremendous value to your home when you list for sale in the future. I hope you find this video useful. See you in the next one.